Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy. So, getting right into our self-defense requirements that we need for moving from orange belt to purple belt. So, this technique is left-right combination. Now, we call it left-right combination just for the sake of having a name to put on it, but this is a really good self-defense against any two-hand strike combination. And where we get that is the fact that we are working on our double parry here. So, our double parry starts with an inside parry as we step drag forward. Remember, this is a dynamic block. Then we're going to go ahead and do our outside parry, making sure that we block one or two, possibly even three hand strikes here as we move in. This hand is going to stay up as I move my right foot and my right elbow into position. So I don't just want you to elbow, I want you to move this right foot across as you elbow. When we get into knee checks, this is going to blow your mind. Now, from here, after the elbow, we're going to pivot hard. We're going to hammer fist into the groin, elbow up into the solar plexus. You see how I'm covering over my shoulder here to make sure that I don't get clipped. Then I'm going to go ahead and step drag away, and I'm going to go ahead and get a nice little back kick. That back kick can go to the knee, to the shin, to the groin, to the chest, whatever your flexibility or whatever that opponent is giving you allows for. So again, from right here, right guard stance, inside parry, step drag, outside parry, move the right foot with the right elbow, pivot hard, hammer into the groin with the right hand, elbow with the right hand, step drag, back kick. All right, guys, that is your left-right combination self-defense. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment or bring them to class. And always remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. Outside.